it's just another night for Mr. Sunshine. It's just another evening in South Florida where everybody now gets to go home. That's right. Well, let me tell you something. As Mr. Sunshine walks into that room with that big vault sitting there, all locked up tighter than a drum. Well, let me tell you how that's going down. William Jeffs, let me tell you something, Jeffs. If you see those tellers in there with their eyes about that big when that vault door swung open, pal, let me tell you something. Get it round. You know, Jeffs, let me tell you something, Teddy. We can talk Mosler, Diebold, Lefebvre, Herring Hall and Marvin, Major, Heyman. We can talk, all of them. I don't care what it is. If it's got a combination, whether it's a mechanical 6730, 6720, whatever it may be, it doesn't matter. You can be rest assured when old Methuselah comes in there, that door is going to swing open. Well, let me tell you something. While those people were sitting in there, I get the call. It wasn't 15 minutes before I show up. All right? People crying. The women in there going, I want to go home. We can't leave. And it's like, hey, have no fear. Mr. Sunshine is here, okay? Now, let me tell you something. Contrary to what you may believe, James Bond 007 was not opening safes, okay? That is what's called in the movies, all right? That's called Hollywood. Let me tell you, creature, do you sigh, do you do, when it all comes down? 'Cause I don't want to come back down from this cloud, taking it all this time to find out what I need. Well, let me tell you something. Brian Miller, Jennifer, you know what? If you've got a lock on your house, on your car, on your door, on your chastity belt, I don't care what it is. You want to talk Medico, Biaxal Level 7? You want to talk Asa Abloy? You want to talk about Multi-Lock Interactive? You want to talk about Quickset, Smart Key, and all of that crap? Well, guess what? Every lock that's out there, there's a way to open it, okay? And after 35 years, and I know it better than anybody, you can be rest assured, even when I walked in there, hey, Jeffs, when I walked in there tonight at 8:30, and they said, look at this, Mr. Sunshine, styling and profiling, the one teller said, I was just watching your video, and you were in a Versace jacket. I said, well, I could have came out here for that. It would have cost you a little bit more. All right? Oh, here we go. 'Cause I don't want to come back down from this cloud, taking it all this time to find out what I need. Oh, yeah. I don't want to come back down from this cloud, taking it all this time. Oh, yeah. A little bit of Bush. Let me tell you, Jeffs, you're right. You know what? I got Dominic Mazza coming down here next week. I've got Tony Malia. He's coming down. He's already been here twice. He's already booked himself for February, March, April, May, and June. All right? He said, Sunshine, I want to come down here once a month for a whole long weekend. I want to party for 72 hours. I said, well, let me tell you something, Tony. They call me the 96-hour man. 4 days straight. 24, 48, 72, 96. That's where I come in. 96 hours of nonstop partying. You can go on YouTube, Royal Caribbean Cruise Lines, and for 4 days, Daddy, we partied all week long. Well, let me tell you something, Jeffs. You may be up there in Ontario. You may have that body of a Greek god. You may have all the women after you. Well, Daddy, you're in Ontario. Well, you got to come down here. I'm King Kong. All right? I'm King Kong down here. Okay? So you get ready. And you know what? Just as I dazzled those women when that bank vault swung open and they went like this. Oh my God. How did you do that? Well, I don't have nothing up my sleeve tonight, pal. I ain't wearing long sleeves. There ain't no magic. There ain't no secret. All right? It's knowing how to get that vault door open at any cost. You understand? If we would have had to pull out the big drill with the electromagnetic drill press and a hard steel carbide bit or a masonry bit to go through that 4 layers of hard plate, so be it. That's what we got to do. Well, I always take the first easy way out first, and just like that, the door's open. So you know what, Jeffs? They're going to understand day or night. You know, and Jeffs, these women think they have these chastity belts on, that's really going to stop yours truly. All right. You love my lifetime. Fences to the fences I can find. Baby, I want you come to my arms. Let's get building under. I love you. Baby, I love you now. All right, so there you go. Another night of the Locksmith Eddy. Sitting over there at Four Brothers, give you a nice dinner tonight. You had some free entertainment tonight, okay? You got some entertainment. If you're thinking about you want to try that sunny South Florida lifestyle, the way I bring it to you each and every day, well, guess what? Realtor Eddy's got a spectacular house for sale. I'm going to actually bring it to you tomorrow. I'll be down there filming it, pictures. We'll get you moved in. You can start living that sunny South Florida lifestyle the way I bring it to you each and every day. Pick up that phone, 561-693-8636. God loves you, and Eddy does too.